So, once again, welcome to your own YouTube channel, Indian Local Guide, where I bring you a series of videos full of lifestyle and adventure. Today's video is second part of the cycle trailer in which I am doing a DIY project. Now many of you will say that why I am doing this DIY project. So let me say that necessity is mother of invention. If you guys have seen my previous videos, then you will know very well that I travel on my electric bicycle for very long distances. Because of my journey is long, I have to carry lots of luggage for it, and because of this I have to face exhaustion. So this project become my necessity. Right now I am preparing for a long distance journey, for which I will have to carry a tent and sleeping bag along with fishing rod and other things. So now let me give you some information about this project. As I said in my previous video, all the developed countries in the world, there is a lot of cycle trailer trend. If you want to bring any material from market or go on an adventure trip, then this trailer proves to be very effective. In my case, I will use this trailer in my electric cycle, so that I will be able to easily cover 100 kilometers per day with my necessary equipment and materials. In this project, I have to take care of very small things because the frame of my electric bicycle is made of aluminum and it also has gears, so I have to work very carefully. Also, I have to pay attention to center of gravity, pivot point and weight balance, without which this project is meaningless. Because I can't attach the trailer to the rear axle rod of the cycle, because doing this will fix the cycle trailer, so I won't able to use my cycle without trailer. And since the gear and disc brake are also becoming a difficulty, so I made a mount for bicycle. So look at this mount carefully. I have made it very accurately. I have designed this mount with great precision, so that there is no problem with the gear and disc brake and frame. This mount is made of stainless steel, which will not be prone to rust.